We are heading to airport. Basically we are going Good afternoon, guys. We are heading to airport. Basically we are going actually Detroit airport. We have a work trip to Virginia and it is Friday today. We are going to stay for 3 nights there, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we are going to be back Monday evening. We have just parked our car. It was almost full and it literally took like 15 minutes for us to find a parking in here at the airport. So we are going to keep our car parked for 3 nights in here, and per day charges are $36 US. So anyways, now we are going to eat our food. So we brought chicken pulao. This is my chicken pulao. Try to go to and lassi. Always homemade food. So good. Finished all last bite. Okay, this is my bag. That's Sanjay's bag. Now we are heading in there. And our gate is C9. Time to board. Hello. Now we are heading to our new office. We are going to Walmart. We wanted to buy some groceries and a cook pot. We are looking for good pot. Cook pot. Cook pot. Cook pot, and it is $24.99. Groceries is done, so we should be good for 3 nights. And now we are heading to buy yogurt, the plain yogurt for lassi, and then we're gonna go to hotel. Okay, so this is the room. That's a nice spot. Okay, and that's me. This is bathroom. And guys, look at this artwork. Nice. It was sort of a long day, and now we're going to change, get fresh, and cook. Okay, all the groceries is set. So these are rice, ghee, salt, pepper, 1 beans can, 1 potato, garlic, papaya, onion, dry fruits we brought from home. These are eggs, disposable plates we got from hotel, some utensils for cooking. Nice. Okay, so we are going to make rice. Fish palak pulao, super healthy, super quick, just 1 dish. Fish and soaked rice. We're gonna wait until this gets thawed. So our food is almost ready. Nice. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday today, and the time is 9:41, and this is the view. This is the parking lot. Today's plan is to go out and explore the city. We are going to have black coffee, and after that we are going to have some fruit, and we're going to go out, and I'll show you around as well. We are going to have papaya. This is the product of Mexico. Looks yum. The weather today is beautiful. It's super sunny, shiny day. It's a bit cold, but it's +7 or something. But it's nice. That's Sanjay. Okay, so this is the Indian store. Let's go in there and see what's available there. So many types of millets. Nice. Okay guys, so we are back. We visited all the areas that we researched yesterday. Some of the areas like beside beach, like East Beach, it was super duper beautiful. It was looking like a showpiece. So anyways, now we are going to change, and the time is 7:70. That watch is 1 hour behind. So basically we had to return the other pot that we bought yesterday, because that pot was just to heat up the food but not for cooking. So today we bought that one. So this one is to cook rice, boil stuff. So yeah, nice. It's cooking. Okay, but today we are cooking red beans pulao with fish. Add fish. Nice. This is what we call one pot dish. So we'll let it cook for a few minutes. Nice. Good afternoon, guys. Okay, so it is Sunday today. The time is almost 1 p.m. We are out just to explore downtown by walk, because our hotel is booked in downtown, so we just wanted to look around. That's our hotel. This is the look of downtown. And there are streetcars as well. And the weather today is beautiful. It's super sunny, shiny day, and the temperature is 12 plus 12. Okay guys, so it's been 3 hours we have been visiting this place. It gives the vibes of Montreal downtown. The weather is amazing. We bought cookies because those were freshly made cookies, and Sanjay loves cookies. So anyways, now we are heading back to the hotel and cook and eat. And I'm making aloo palak fish and rice soup. It's almost ready. Okay, so our rice are ready. So I made fish rice. Okay guys, so we are here at the airport, and today it is Monday. Sanjay. Okay, so now we are heading back to home. It was super duper fun work trip. We actually enjoyed our staying here and work as well. All set to go back and come back here. So that's pretty much it for today's vlog, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel, because there is a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care, and I'll see you again.